lost a video. My phone rang. I try to not give this number out so that doesn't happen. This is Anchor 04. Oh shit. 2, 7, and 4. I can't let it run too long like that. 2, 7, and 4. Let's get it back on. Yeah, I'm seeing number 2, 7, and 4. 5 is starting to show its butt a little. High contribution balance for, I got it on another video. Freaking sucks, I'm gonna have to do both videos. 2, 7, 4, and 5. Let's do it again. Just watch it a little bit. 7's 2 picked up, now we got number 7. 7 and 4. Oh, just kind of cleared up a little bit. Oh, dropped off. Alright, I had to get this. Be right back. Thought I'd show this, guys. Look at that. 04 with no AC. That's crazy. I'm gonna run a boost test here real quick. Computer's acting a little slow. Hang on. Okay. Hang on, let's fire it up. Here we go. Oh my. Oh, way low. Way low. Yeah, we're losing boost. Hang on. Here you go, under a little bit of throttle. Number 2, number 7. There you go. It took a while to pick back up. 2 ain't doing nothing. It's oh yeah. 2's gone. So is 7. 7's on its way. Hard and bouncing here. Look at number 8 back there, the history line on number 8. Man, with number 4 being questionable at the cold start, I'd do the whole freaking, let's do the even side and possibly go back in and do the odd side. We gotta do something. I mean, 2, 4, 8. You know, 6 is the only one that's really not giving us fits. Which, I mean, you just do the whole side, make it run good, and then number 7, we'll find out how number 7 is gonna react. Because, see it right there. See number 2 dropping right there. And number 4. Yeah. There's number 7 being low. Hang on. There you go, just sitting here idling. It's going through the learn events for the vein strategy. It's 04 with, it's got 4 learn events done so far. There we go, I'm trying to catch it. You can see the history line right there, number 2. Number 2 and number 7. I'm not gonna miss right now. See 7 dropping. As soon as I shut it off, it'll do it. Figures. But it is number 2, number 7. Number 4 and number 5 are cold starting bad. Number 8 was showing a little crappy while I was driving it. Yeah. I have to get some injectors in it. I'm letting it do learn events, and then we'll redo the turbo, the boost test. Okay, VGT learn. Okay, right there. All right, let's shut it off. Let it go to sleep. Hang on. Okay, kept the learn strategy in it. So now let's do another boost test. Okay, now let's see what we got. No. There you go. Alright, well, let's quit picking on the turbo. It had a 132B in it. That's probably because the codes got cleared and they didn't let the learn strategy complete. That's acceptable. 2 1/4 is acceptable. We're looking at injectors. That's what we're looking at. Fuel pressure test. We need to make sure we got fuel pressure. This is a work truck. It gets, yeah, work. It's heavy too. Pulls some mean weight. All right, let's see. I'll see if I can combine the 2 videos. I do got the cold start video with the codes. It's in here. Maybe I'll combine both of them, and we'll. I'll see if I got enough time. I don't know. I got an engine I got to build here today, so let me see if I can. It's had a couple of missing just now. Oh, not gonna catch it. Let's see here. I mean, cold start, they just let it warm up, they can get some more time out of these injectors. But there's number 7. Yeah, we don't do no silly snot snake oil here either. If you want to fix the freaking truck, put an injector in it. You can dump $50 a pop and put some silly snot in the freaking oil, and yeah, but no, we don't do that here. Alright guys, have a good day.